So what do we mean by special factors? These are factors of expressions involving variables. The first one there is factorization of linear expression. When we say linear means it's something straight, a straight line. So example of that one, we have 2x minus 4. If we are to factorize 2x minus 4, we look at this number, we look at it that 2 is even number, then 4 is also even number. Then that means 2 can go in 4. So because 2 can go in 4, that's why we say it is linear. So we now bring the 2 outside, then we now say 2 into bracket x minus 2. Because by the time we open this bracket, we have to get the question back. That is 2 times x will give us 2x. Then 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4. It gives us minus 4. Then the other example is 3x minus 6. Same thing. Plus 3 and 6. 3 will go to 6. So we make the 3 outside. Then 3 will go to 6 2 times. So we say 3 into bracket x minus 2. If I open this bracket, I will get this back. 3x minus 2. 3 times x will give me 3x. Then 3 minus 2. 3 times minus 2 will give me minus 6. In that order. Then the next one is factors of difference between two squares using same factors. Using same factors. This okay. I forgot to explain this. Let me explain this. This is 3x minus 18. If you are to factorize 3x minus 18, we say that because 3 can go in 18, so 3 will go in 18 6 times. So we say 3x, we bring 3 outside, then we open bracket x minus 6. If I open this bracket, I'm going to have 3 multiplied by x, 3x, then 3 multiplied by minus 6. So this minus is for 6 and not x. So 3 minus 3 times minus 6 will give me minus 18. Minus 18. Let's take note of that. Then the next one is factorization of difference between two squares using same factors. Example of that, we have it here. We see x squared minus 9 equals to I have to explain some things here for better understanding. Like here now, here we said because 9, looking at that 9 is a perfect number. We have treated that one in our previous class. Yeah, perfect numbers and perfect square. So 9 is a perfect number, and that is 3 squared. So we have x squared minus 3 squared, and that way this is the same thing as, because it is the same power. So we can add it this way to say x minus 3x. X minus 3 in all in bracket, x all in bracket square. It's still the same thing. Open this bracket, I'm going to get this. So this implies, just for example, if I have 2 raised to power 2, it means 2 multiplied by 2. Same thing with this. So this now is multiple, is to write this 2 times. So that's what gives out to this. So we have 3x, 3 minus x, then multiplied by, x minus 3, then in bracket, then multiplied by x plus 3. Let's take note that the sign is very, very important. And don't forget also that bracket in mathematics means multiplication. So this sign, because this is minus, then we are going to use plus or minus. And let me explain this. We have to note this, that when we have negative multiplied by positive, is going to give us negative. When we have positive multiplied by negative, is still going to give us negative. And when we have positive multiplied by positive, we're going to have positive. Then when we have negative multiplied by negative, it's going to give us positive. This basic principle we have to take note in mathematics. And they are the basic principle of multiplication, especially under factorization in mathematics. So that is the principle that we applied here now. That is why we say, since this is minus and minus times minus, just as I said, if we have 2 raised to the power 2 now, that this is 2 multiplied by 2. So this one 2, if I will write this one twice, that is x minus 3 in bracket multiplied by x plus 3. Why plus here? Because minus multiplied by plus will give me minus. Just with what I've written down here. So this is same thing. So this is our final answer if we are to factorize this expression. So you see that we say plus minus before before plus, or you say plus before minus, in as much that either we say plus times minus, just as what I've written here. Either we say minus times plus is going to give us minus, or we say positive times negative is going to give us negative. So whichever way we write it, we are very correct. Then look at this other example. This one is raised to power 4. Well, either it is 2, it is still a perfect number, because 2 is a perfect number. 4 as well is also a perfect number. So here we are going to look for a means to also simplify the power, because the power is 4 again. So in the simplifying, we'll have x raised to power 2, or in bracket 2, because if I multiply this 2 by 2, I'm going to get 4. Then same thing here, 2 by 2 multiplied by 2 may still give me 4. So I just break the power down to in this order. So this now, since we have square here, same power. So we can put it this way to say x square minus x square minus a square. Okay, let me put it this way. S square minus n square minus a square, then n square plus a square. So either way is same thing, either write it this way as well, it's the same thing, either plus first before minus. So this is the expression for this equation, and for this factorization. So the next one here is 125 square minus 100 square. Just look at it's less simple. I'll first write this because it is minus. So I first put minus here. Then I repeat the same thing because this is same thing as saying, okay, this is same thing as saying square here. Putting square here. This is the same thing. This and this is it. I just put the square. Since the square is same, I pick one and I put it outside the brackets. So if I open these brackets, I'm going to have the
okay.
If I open these brackets, I'm going to have 125 minus 100, then 125 plus 100. So if I express this, that's 125 minus 100, it will give me that's 25, then multiply by, then this one will give me, addition of this one together will give me 225. So together you say the answer is 2 pi or in brackets 2, 2, 5. Either in this order or in this order. Depends on the option. But if it is theory question, if you see put it this way or this way, you know it as. So next to this, we are going to consider factorization of quadratic equation. That's our next topic after this.